In a moment like this, you gotta ask yourself, what would Jeremy Clarkson do? Traction control off. Manual drive mode. Wait for the cars to clear, and here we go. Oh, wait a minute, I want to go over there. Oh, jeez. Gotta wait for the other cars. Oh, yeah. Oh, there's a truck doing the same thing I'm doing. All right, look around. Nobody around. Let's see if Come on. There we go. Here's a better one. Oh, God. That's too funny. Notice all the pieces of car laying all over the place. Once again, this is 3 days after the freeze. Oh, God. Ow. Kidneys. Spine. Spleen. Oh, pancreas. Oh, Jesus. All right. Oh, God. Ow. This is on Sunday. The big nasty day was, well, pretty much Friday night was the worst of it. This is days, or Sunday, after it's supposed to be all gone. Oh, God. It's all ice. Good thing this is a rental car. What a freaking mess. And you notice car in the ditch. Little blue car. They're all over the place like that. Gotta love it. All right, we're picking up speed.